With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is the temperature coefficient of a resistance of wire is 0.0125 per degree Celsius at 300 Kelvin. Its resistance is 1 ohm and the resistance of the wire will be 2 ohm at, we have to find the temperature here. ABCD option is given here. So the solution of this question is by using temperature resistance coefficient relation, we get R resistance is equals to R naught and this is 1 plus alpha T, that is 1 plus alpha is the temperature coefficient and T is the temperature here. So if alpha is in degree Celsius, alpha is given to us 0.00125 degree Celsius. So T is also in degree Celsius and we can write here T is also in degree Celsius here. So we have the R. So firstly we can write here R1. It is given to us R1 is equals to R naught and this is 1 plus alpha and T is 300 Kelvin here. So we can take this 300, convert it into the Celsius. So we know that for this we have to subtract 273 from it. So we can write here 300 minus 273 is 27 degrees Celsius. So we can write here this is alpha into 27 here and this is, let's suppose, equation 1, and for resistance 2 we have the resistance note and this is 2 ohm, it is given to us and we have to find temperature here. So this is alpha and we have here T2 here. So this is our equation 2 and if we divide 1 by 2, so we get R1 divided by R2 is equals to R naught and this is 1 plus alpha and this is in multiplication with, or we can write here this is 27 alpha here and this is divided by 2 plus T2 alpha here. So from this we can cancel out the terms, that can cancel this and this cancel out and we get R1 divided by R2. So we have the R1 is 1 ohm here. So we have this is 1 and this is divided by 2 here and this is not, this is 1 also, as in the formula it is 1. So we have here, so this is 1 plus 27 alpha here and this is divided by 1 plus T2 alpha. So if we multiply this, so we get 1 plus T2 and this is multiplied by alpha is equals to 2 plus 27 into 2 is, that is 54 alpha. So from this we get T2 alpha is equals to 1 plus 54 alpha and T2, that is temperature 2 is equals to 1 plus 54 and we have the alpha temperature coefficient is 0.00125 and this is divided by here 0.00125 and we have, from on solving this we get T2 is equals to 854 degrees Celsius, but in the options it is in Kelvin, so we can convert this in the Kelvin by adding 273 here, as we know that if we change the temperature from Kelvin, so we have to add 273. So from this we get this is equals to 1127 Kelvin here. So this is the temperature here and this is our answer. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.